Chapter 13. Natural Phenomenon. We live on the earth and look far into the space. We see thousands of twinkling stars in the sky at night. We see the moon shining too. Sometimes some bright objects are also seen in the sky which do not twinkle. These are planets. A planet is a Greek word which means wanderer. It is different from a star. With the help of a telescope, the stars, planets, and the moon can be seen clearly. Stars are self-luminous bodies. It means they have their own heat and light. Stars are made of hot burning gases. They are usually very big in size, but as they are very far from us, they look small and tiny like little dots in the sky. Fact zone. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the earth. Our sun is also a star. It looks bigger and brighter because as compared to other stars, it is much nearer to our earth. The sun gives out a lot of heat and light, which is the source of all energy in our solar system. It is the sun which sustains all life. That is why many ancient people regarded the sun as a god. Planets are heavenly bodies which move round the sun in a definite path called orbit. They do not move out of their orbit due to the gravity of the sun. The planets do not have their own light. They shine due to the light from the sun. They shine in the sky like stars with a steady glow. They do not twinkle. Solar System. The Sun and its family of 8 planets form our solar system. Planets are heavenly bodies like the Earth. They move round the Sun in their orbits. These 8 planets are of different sizes. The planet nearest to the Sun is Mercury. The 8 planets are 1. Mercury 2. Venus 3. Earth 4. Mars 5, Jupiter 6, Saturn 7, Uranus 8, Neptune. Fact zone. Earlier there were 9 planets in our solar system, but now Pluto is not considered as a planet. Mercury is the closest to the Sun. All the planets move round the Sun, but they do not take the same time to complete a revolution. A planet which is nearer to the Sun takes less time than the one which is farther from the Sun. Thus Mercury, which is the nearest to the Sun, completes a revolution in 88 days. Earth. The Earth is around 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. It is the 5th largest planet of the solar system. The Earth is the only planet which has life because it has atmosphere. The Earth is nearly round in shape. It is slightly flattened at the 2 poles, so it looks like an orange. Movements of the Earth. The Earth spins on its axis like a top once in 24 hours. This is called rotation. The Earth also moves around the Earth, which is called revolution. Therefore, the 2 movements of the Earth are rotation and revolution. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. It rotates from west to east. Therefore, the Sun seems to rise from the east and set in the west. The Earth's rotation causes day and night. The Earth is continuously moving on its axis. The Sun shines all the time, but only half of the Earth faces the Sun at a time. This part has day. The other half of the Earth that is away from the Sun remains dark and has night. If one part has evening, then the part directly opposite to it would have morning. So rotation of the Earth causes days and nights. Let's see ourselves. Take a globe and place it on a table. Shine a torch on the globe as shown in the picture. Observe the portion on which light falls. This is day. The portion which does not get light is night. Nights and days follow each other in succession. as the Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours. Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. This period is called solar year. For the sake of convenience, we add 1/4 day of every 4 years to the month of February of 4th year. This year has 366 days and is called a leap year. The speed with which the Earth revolves is also constant. It revolves at a speed of 107,244 km per hour. Revolution of the Earth causes change in seasons. Seasons on the Earth. During revolution, the axis of the Earth remains tilted inclined in the same direction. When the northern hemisphere faces the sun, it receives direct rays of the sun for a longer period than the southern hemisphere. It has summer with longer days and shorter nights. The southern hemisphere has shorter days and longer nights as it is away from the sun and receives slanting rays of the sun for a shorter period. The places near the equator are hot all the year and there is no change of season. This is because it receives the same amount of sunlight all the year round. The days and nights are of equal duration. Concept map. In the sky, stars, solar system, sun, planets, Earth, movements of the Earth, seasons on the Earth,